What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ziggy with a Y, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Rubik's Cube. Let's get to it. So you're going to want to have your Sharpie, and you're going to draw a square. Then draw 2 lines across and 2 lines from the top. Okay, so now on the top left corner, you want to draw a diagonal line, and same on the right. Now you want to draw a line that connects those two. And if there's any line left, just erase it. And then after that, you want to add all of the extra lines. Then you want to go up here and draw down. Then you want to connect these two. And then just draw the pattern again. And then boom, you have yourself a Rubik's Cube. Now, I'm going to color mine in. And it will be done in 3, 2, 1. Boom! It's done. Make sure to like and subscribe to Ziggy with a Y. And goodbye.